Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's super slim Galaxy A57 revealed in live images. This is slimmer, thicker, and more powerful. According to the latest preliminary data, Samsung's new upcoming budget king mobile phone, the Galaxy A57 5G, appears in images on MIIT's certification database, revealing the first look at design, features, specs, and upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung may launch two new A-series phones before the 2026 Galaxy S26 series flagships. The new two models are highly likely to be the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 5G, with a new certification revealing the latter's super slim design in live images. Samsung is preparing to launch a new mid-range smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A57. Today, Resource The Tech Outlook discovered the device in the MIIT certification database, revealing its design. The phone's design has been leaked from the front, back, and sides, leaving nothing for imagination. According to MIIT, the new Galaxy A57 has the model number SMA5760. The smartphone supports NR, SA, NSA, TD-LTE, LTE FDD, WCDMA, and GSM networks, as well as 5G. The smartphone's side look showcases a razor-thin design. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy A57 could be nearly 6.9 mm thick, matching the Galaxy S26. The right side will contain a bumped portion, and Samsung calls it Key Island. Judging by the published images, the device will feature a purple case, with a vertical triple rear camera module, similar to the Galaxy A56, but with slight design changes. The smartphone will also feature flat bezels. The certification listed the device in its purple colorway. We expect the Galaxy A57 to be featured in more colors, including black and white. Notably, the Galaxy A37 may follow a similar design approach, with a thicker build. As it is reported that, TD-LTE revealed that, the Galaxy A57 will feature a 6.6-inch display, with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Its dimensions will be 161.5, 76.8 x 6.9 mm, and it will weigh 182 grams. The smartphone will feature an octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage, a triple rear camera with 50, 12, and 5 megapixel modules, a 12 megapixel front camera, a 5000 mAh battery, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G's debut date has not yet been revealed, but its appearance in various certification agency databases indicates an imminent release. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.